today's video I'm going to show you how to view, install and customize plugins. First we need to go to the plugin section and here all our installed plugins are visible. If you want to install a new plugin, then you click this add new button, and here there are many options you can click, but we will download a contact form plugin. Yes, we will download the Ninja contact form and click install now. It's installing. It will be installed soon. It it is installed. Now we will click the activate button, and after clicking the activate button it will be activated. Here it is activated. See the active section, and here Ninja form is activated. Now you can use it in your website, in your contact forms if you have any in your website. If you want to customize your plugins, then you go in the plugin editor, and here you can edit the code according to you and according to your website how you want it. Yes. If you already have a file of which you have done the coding already, then you can update the file here as well. Yes. So yeah. Thank you.